In this video, I'm going to show you how to unconventionally boost your metabolism. That's much easier than you think. And then how to trick your body into losing body fat without feeling hungry. Hi, I'm Dawson with ResetU Fitness. And I put my shirt on for this because it's time for us to get comfortable and learn some science. Now, most trainers won't tell you, but as you lose weight, your metabolism slows down. That's right. Your BMR, your basal metabolic rate, or your overall resting metabolism, which is what we burn most of our calories from, goes down. So let's say hypothetically you're 200 pounds and you're burning 2,500 calories a day. When you get to 500 or 150, you'll be down to like 1,600 calories a day. So that means you have to continually eat less every single step along the way, or do more cardio, which is not sustainable. It's damn near impossible. So say this bold line is how many calories you're burning. You have to stay underneath that with calories you're eating and consuming. So by the time you get here, you're consuming 1,400 calories just because you're 150. Now, I don't know about you, but most of us have failed at fat loss before. And the clients at ResetU don't experience this. They don't experience the bounce back because we do a little something different. The first thing we're going to focus on is not plateauing. So we're going to erase this whole entire thing and start from step one. Now we're going to do something that seems counterproductive, but remember, your goal isn't to lose 10 pounds as quickly as possible. You did that, you could lose 10 pounds in your first week. It's super simple. UFC fighters lose 20 in the last day before their fight. You don't care about that. You want sustainable fat loss. The first thing we do is say that you're starting here with your BMR. We start your calories here. Now what that does is it raises your T3, your T4, your leptin levels, the things that control your basal metabolic rate. And then we also take in clean food. So inflammation is another thing that can destroy your metabolism. It slows everything down. We only eat whole foods. That way you're getting all of the nutrients, and we have you lift weights too as well. So that extra jolt of testosterone and growth hormone helps you to put all of those nutrients into your muscles and not your body fat. What we're doing is we're shocking your metabolism, basically. So now your basal metabolic rate the next week will raise to 2,700. Then from there, you're going to have this decline, but we're going to slowly decline your calories beneath it. Now, because we did that shock to your system, we can go at a deficit almost around the calories that you would have consumed anyways, 2,500, and we can keep your metabolism high. Now, as you're losing weight, you are going to experience a slowed metabolism. There's no way around it. Even our clients do. But it's not as fast as a slowed metabolism as you would if you just started cutting your calories now. And then when you get to the point where you don't like and you're struggling to eat that low of calories, you just boost your calories back up. That'll slowly boost the metabolism back up, and then you drop it again. So you do the exact same process over and over again. Now, some caveats to this are you have to eat clean food. If you're struggling with what foods to eat, what are healthy for you, there's a list below in the comments of foods that aren't inflammatory, that aren't going to slow down your metabolism. The other thing is you got to dial back hunger. So things that regulate hunger, like insulin and leptin and ghrelin, those things that tell you when to eat and when you're full, you want to fix those too. And we do that in the link below. It's literally our first month of nutrition, the foods that we have our clients eat, how we have them do it. If intermittent fasting applies to you as a tool, we give that to you too as well. Carbs, everything to help you regulate insulin. And when that happens, leptin and ghrelin regulate easier, everything's easier. You're basically losing weight without being hungry, which is awesome. That's the whole entire goal. That's why most people fail, is because they get hungry and I need a Snickers, right? And you would just repeat this process over and over again without plateauing until you get to your final goal. The cool part is once you get to your final goal, say your goal is 150 and your metabolism is down here, you want to boost it back up, you can slowly reverse diet and slowly build up those calories again and build back up your BMR without raising this number very much. You might go up to like 151, but that's your new normal, not 200. Now, if that video brought you value, make sure you subscribe, because we're going to go over our entire ResetU system for you on this channel. You're going to miss out the next step, which could be the best step for you. I don't know. I think it's pretty cool. You don't want to miss it. See ya.